Everyone, happy Monday. As promised, I have a video for you guys just to go over real quick in 5 minutes or less what I would like you guys to accomplish today. And as promised, Ramona here is going to help me out kind of. I think actually she's just going to fall asleep in my lap because it's nighttime and she's had a lot of fun in the snow this weekend. So she's just going to take a little nap. Anyway, all right, moving on. My cat may even make an appearance. Okay, so happy Monday. Like I said, I am not here, as you can tell. Mrs. Smith is going to be your sub. She is fabulous, and please listen to her. She is a very experienced teacher, and if she asks you to do something, go ahead and do that, and be respectful and be the awesome students I know you are. Okay, so a couple things I want you to accomplish today. You should have your outline done. And if that's the case, then writing your rough draft is going to be a piece of cake because all of your heavy lifting, all of your big thinking is already done. You've already looked for your quotes. You have the page numbers where they are. You can just start transferring everything over into a rough draft. Now, once you complete that rough draft, there's a couple different things I want you to do. First, and you can actually do this before you begin your rough draft, I want you to review your night essays. And I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of that essay. There will be a rubric chart there with some comments at the very bottom. Go ahead and look at that chart to see what areas you want to focus on in your PTI essay, all right? Because that's where your practice comes from. If you know what you kind of were a little on your last essay, you can work on fixing that in this essay. That's how you get better. Once your rough draft is done, I want you to go to the About section of Google Classroom, and you will see a revision slideshow there. Now, it's divided into, cat's biting me, sorry. It's divided into two sections. The first section says peer edit revision, something like that. The second section says self-revision edit. Here's a secret. They're the same. But you still want to do both of them, all right? Doesn't matter which one you start with. You can do it yourself first and then give it to someone in class to do. Either way, you're going to go through both of those sections. Pets shed too much. Peer and self-revision and edit, all right? The other thing I want you to do is I want you to run your rough drafts through two different add-ons that I'm going to show you how to get those up here in a minute. If you have not used add-ons before, they're great little kind of little like mini apps that you can run in Google Docs or Sheets, and it'll do extra tasks for you that Google itself isn't set up to do. In this case, you're going to do one add-on called Grade Proof, which does editing suggestions, grammar, spelling, capitalization, word usage, checking for homonyms, things like that. It's an excellent editing tool to help you catch any typos, grammar, fluency things, conventions that you missed in your initial read-through. Remember, it's so easy to miss those mistakes that we make because our brains correct them for us as we're reading. So this little program is excellent. The other one is called SAS Reviser, and it's going to work to help you find sentences, paragraphs, words, things like that that you can reword, revise, rephrase, delete, add, adjust, whatever, to make your essay even clearer and stronger. So remember, revising makes your essay sound good. Editing makes your paper look good. Let's see here. Remember, don't forget, if you guys stay focused and you're productive and you are as awesome as I know you can be, then we will be on track to begin the movie about 20 minutes before the end of class tomorrow and finish it on Wednesday. And if we meet that goal, you can bring in food on Wednesday. I know some of you had talked about pooling money to do a pizza. Excellent idea. Or just bring your lunch. Or just bring, I don't know, some popsicles or Cheetos or whatever you like to eat while you're watching a movie, all right? And this is one of my favorite movies, so you really, really, really want to work hard because you don't want to miss this movie. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or text me. My text phone number is up I don't know which, that way, I think, on the board, right? I don't know how big I am. So it's next to the board on a piece of paper by my desk. You'll see it. It's, I can't remember what it is. Anyway, so go ahead and text me, email me. I can't promise I will reply right away because I'm going to be in and out of speech performances up in Cedar Falls, over in Cedar Falls all day. But when I do see it, I will respond to you. All right. So again, be productive, be quiet, be awesome, listen to Mrs. Smith, and grab your Chromebooks, find a place to sit that's quiet and comfortable and away from distractions, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.